Students, welcome to my YouTube channel. These are some important questions from chapter polynomial based on two zeros alpha and beta. So first question is, if alpha beta are the zeros of a polynomial, this is a quadratic polynomial 4x square plus 4x minus 1, then find the value of 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta. Second question is, if alpha beta are the zeros of polynomial, I am taking different polynomials 2x square minus 7x plus 3, then find the value of alpha square plus beta square. Third question is, if one zero of a polynomial 5x square plus 13x minus a is reciprocal of other, here 1 0 is reciprocal of other, then you have to find the value of a. Then question number 4, find a quadratic polynomial whose zeros 1 0 is 3 plus root 2 and second 0 is 3 minus root 2. The next question is, if alpha beta are the zeros of the polynomial, then find the value of 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta minus 2 alpha beta. Then last question is, if alpha beta are the zeros of polynomial 3x square minus 2x minus 7, then find the value of alpha upon beta plus beta upon alpha. So these are the 6 type of questions. Mostly these questions come in exam. So I'm going to solve these one by one. Now here it is given that this is a polynomial 4x square plus 4x minus 1, and we need to find the value of 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta. So here if you solve this 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta, here if you take the LCM is alpha beta, and then now we divide this alpha beta by this alpha, we will get beta, and when we divide this alpha beta by beta, we will get alpha. So this we can write here alpha plus beta over alpha beta. Now this numerator is alpha plus beta means sum of zeros, and denominator is alpha beta product of zeros. So these sum of zeros and product of zeros we will find from here, this polynomial. So alpha plus beta equals to minus b upon a. So if we compare this polynomial standard polynomial, that is ax square plus bx plus c. So here a is equals to 4, a equal to 4, b equals to 4, and c equals to minus 1. So when we put the values here, minus b is 4, minus 4 upon 4 which equals to minus 1, and alpha beta which equals to c upon a, c is minus 1, minus 1 upon 4. So now we will put these values here. So 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta equals to alpha plus beta over alpha beta. So alpha plus beta is minus 1, and 1 alpha beta is 1 upon minus 1 upon 4. So minus minus cancel, and when we take the reciprocal, so we will get here answer 4. So the value of 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta equals to 4. Now second question is, this is a quadratic polynomial and we need to find the value of alpha square plus beta square. So this alpha square plus beta square we can obtain from alpha plus beta whole square, which equals to alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. Or if we want this, so we can write here alpha square plus beta square equals to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. We are converting this into this identity because we can find out alpha plus beta and alpha beta, sum of zeros and product of zeros. So from this equation I will directly put here alpha plus beta equals to alpha plus beta which equals to minus b upon a. So minus b means b is here minus 7, so it become minus 7 upon 2 which equals to 7 by 2, and product of 0 alpha beta which equals to c upon a. So here c is 3, so it is 3 by 2. So we will substitute the values here. Alpha beta means 7 by 2, 7 by 2 whole square minus 2 into 3 by 2. So here it become, when we do the square, it is 49 by 4, and here it is 2 cancel with 2, it become 3 by 1. Now while taking its LCM is 4, so it is 49 minus 4 to the 12, so it is 37 by 4. So the value of alpha square plus beta square is 37 by 4. Third question is that for polynomial 5x square plus 13x minus a, zeros are reciprocal of one another. Means if one zero is alpha, then second zero is 1 upon alpha. So whenever we have two zeros and which are reciprocal of each other, so for these zeros we will take only the product of zeros. So product of zeros equals to C upon A, and if we compare this with the standard form, which equals to ax square plus bx plus c. So here the constant term is minus a and first term a is 5. So here we will write product of 0, here alpha is 1 0 and second 0 is 1 upon alpha. So product of 0 is alpha and 1 upon alpha. Why we are taking this case? Because when we are taking the product, this product become 1. Whenever the zeros are reciprocal of each other, their product is always equals to 1. So we directly get this value of a, which we need to find out. So from here a equals to minus 5. So minus 5 is the value of this variable a. Next question is, we have to find a polynomial whose zeros are given. This is 1 0, this is second 0. So the polynomial is x square minus sx plus p. S is sum of zeros, p is product of zeros. So we'll find the sum of zeros. S equals to 3 plus root 2 and 3 minus root 2. So root 2 cancel, it become 3 plus 3 6. So sum of zeros is 6. And product of zeros is 3 plus root 2 and 3 minus root 2. So here we will use identity a plus b and a minus b, which equals to a square minus b square. So 3 square is 9 and root 2 square is 2. So it is 9 minus 7. 9 minus 2 is 7. So now we will use this polynomial, which is here x square minus sx, s is 6. So minus 6x and plus p, product of 0 7. So this is the polynomial by using these two zeros. Question number 5 is that we have a polynomial and we have to find the value of 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta plus minus 2 alpha beta. Now this we have calculated already in first part. So again we will do by same method. First of all, we find the sum of zeros, means alpha plus beta, which equals to minus b upon a, and from here it is minus 5 upon 1, which equals to 5. And alpha beta product of zeros, which equals to c upon a. So c 6 upon 1, which equals to 6. Now we will use this 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta equals to minus 2 alpha beta. So we will take LCM here. For this, LCM is alpha beta, and you know we will get in the numerator alpha plus beta minus 2 alpha beta. Now we have this alpha beta means sum of zeros, alpha plus beta sum of zeros, alpha beta product of zeros. So we will substitute these values. Alpha plus beta means sum of zeros is 5, product of zeros is 6, minus 2 into 6. So which is equals to 5 by 6 minus 12 by 1. We will take the LCM. LCM is 6 here. So here 5 minus 72, but 12 6 are 72. So when we subtract this, we will get here minus 67 by 6. So this is the answer. The last part is that for this polynomial we have to find the value of alpha upon beta plus beta upon alpha. So here again we will take the sum of zeros, because alpha beta are the zeros. So product of sum of zeros equals to minus b upon a, which equals to minus 2 upon 3, which equals to 2 by 3. And product of zeros alpha beta, which equals to c upon a, and here it is minus 7 by 3. So now we will use this relation to find alpha upon beta plus beta upon alpha. So alpha upon beta plus beta upon alpha, we will take LCM here, and LCM is alpha beta. So now remember this thing, this is very important here, that now when we divide denominator alpha beta by denominator beta, so we will left alpha multiplied, it become alpha square. Similarly second become beta square. Now in the numerator we have alpha square plus beta square, and already we have done in the previous question that this identity in the form of sum of zeros and product of zeros can be written as alpha plus beta whole square, which in the form of sum of zeros minus 2 alpha beta. Alpha beta means product of zeros. Because we have only sum of zeros and product of zeros here, so we will convert this alpha square plus beta square into this form, alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Now we will substitute these values. Alpha plus beta, which equals to 2 by 3 whole square, minus 2 into alpha beta, which equals to 7 by 3 minus 7 by 3 over minus 7 by 3. So we have to do the calculation this, and we will get the answer for this now. So here now square of 2 by 3 is 4 by 9. Here 1 minus, here inside the bracket 1 minus, so minus minus become plus, plus 14 by 3, and I will bring this in this form minus 7 by 3. So we will take LCM here. LCM is 9. So 4 come as it is, plus 14 3s are, because when we divide 9 by 3 we will get 3. So 14 3s are 42. And this we will change into division, minus 3 by 7. So now here we will get it 46, and 3 cancel, this 9 become 3. So minus 46 over 21. So this is the value of 1 upon alpha upon beta plus beta upon alpha. So these are the answers. Thank you.